It's time to change up your cutting game. Blitz through firewood and branches with the battery-powered 18V EasiSaw 250. Its high-powered brushless motor offers superb cutting efficiency, whilst the Oregon bar and chain provides optimal durability, trusted by professionals worldwide since 1947. Safety is made simple, whatever the job. An integrated chain brake system suspends operation instantly in the event of a kickback to provide protection against the unexpected. Robust metal chain catcher provides optimal shielding. Work in confidence and with complete control with a metal claw stop that provides smooth, stable cutting, and an ergonomic handle for multiple positions of comfort, all within a compact and balanced design that allows you to keep working comfortably and efficiently. Convenience comes built in. Automatic lubrication takes the effort out of maintenance, whilst easy toolless chain tensioning allows you to keep the EasiSaw 250 operating at peak performance. The smart LED indicator keeps you aware of how much charge you have remaining, preventing unwanted interruptions. As part of the Power for All Alliance, the 18V EasiSaw 250 is compatible with the largest multi-brand battery system. Not only is the battery interchangeable with your other battery-powered Flymo products, it also works with over 100 other tools for the home and garden, which means you can maximize your battery series and expand your cordless capabilities. Join the battery-powered revolution and take your cutting performance to the next level. Flymo.